Hello, welcome to Dina's Real Estate Detail. Today, January 5th, 2023, I'm going to wrap up some details of the real estate market in 2022 to hopefully give you a good idea of what the outlook is going to be in 2023. Now, I'm going to make a whole new video on my predictions of 2023, but today we are just going to focus on the history of 2022. So let's get right to it here. Okay, so if you can see the screen, this is the month's activity, month's supply of homes on the market. And you might have heard people say, you know, anything less than 5 months on the market or 5 months supply means we're in a seller's market. It can hold true. There was a point in time where our market was so severe that we only had 2 weeks of inventory. So I'm going to show you of the last 3 years, and I want you to understand that this is everything in the MLS, and it is 16 counties, so that's a lot it covers. But if you look here back in 2000, let me put my glasses on. Back in 2019, the MLS had 5.9 months supply of inventory, and it really dropped down in 2021 to 4.0 months of inventory, in 2022 to 2.5 months of inventory, and that's throughout the entire MLS. Here I wanted to show you, if I can get to this other page, let me see if this is blocking me. Well, we'll just go to this screen instead. Historical pending sales by month. If we go all the way back, you can see it looks like a heartbeat going up and down all the way through the different years. So in 2014, we were in a seller's market, and right here, we still had 2,000 pending sales a month in 2014, and then it increased, and then it decreased, and then it increased, and then it decreased. And they were saying in 2015 the market was going to crash in 2017. They said in 2016 the market was going to crash in 2018. And you can see there's hills and valleys. That's real estate. It's always hills and valleys. So in 2019, just before COVID, we still were at about 2,500 pending sales a month. That's a lot. And then all of a sudden, 2020, we started seeing an increase, and things were just flying off the shelves. So here we go, a big market in 2021 and 2022, we were at 3,500. That's a lot of pending sales per month. And then we skyrocketed up to 5,000, and we went over that in 2021. And now we're back down to just under 3,000 homes every month. But the reason why I point this out is because if you look back in 2014, we were right around 2,000 homes per month, which was a seller's market. So what does that say now? That we're just under 3,000 homes pending sales every month, with more and more people moving here. So if there's so many people moving here and we're still holding this many homes pending sales, it's still a seller's market. So yes, the sales are less than they used to be. It's still a seller's market. You have to look at the whole trajectory and everything that's happening in the market. I hope that helps you understand that it still is a seller's market. It still is a good time to sell. If you have any further questions, I'd love to help you on that. Shoot me an email or a text, and I can go into so many more details. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.